Investors and traders, welcome to the channel. Market chart pattern. Today is 21st of February 2025. Hope everyone is having a great day. We will be taking a look at the Alibaba stock in this video. It's a video as a follow up to a video which I did a short time ago, in which we had a particular target set for the Alibaba stock, and it's going to be an update how the stock is performing. As always, this video is for educational purposes only, and it is not a financial advice. So the channel actually focuses on technical analysis, and what I like to do is I use advanced technical analysis using Fibonacci ratios, which include retracements, projections, extensions, and expansions. And as a combination with the technical analysis of classical nature and this advanced nature technical analysis, we actually produce a picture what we think what the price is doing currently and what the price is likely to do next. So in this video, what I'm going to highlight is it's as a follow-up to the video done a short while ago, and I will put a link to the video in the description. We have a set target of $160 per share for the Alibaba stock. And what we have seen over the past few weeks is, and this is a weekly chart, that the Alibaba stock has been very strong, and the high this week has been $145.30. So it's a little bit shy to our target, but certainly it seems to be moving in that direction. And it's been a very strong close for the week for the Alibaba stock. The stock this week has been up 15.25%, so 15.25%. That is a fantastic performance. Now, something really important and interesting to understand is also you see this box that I've drawn right here. This box is basically what it shows consolidation. So the market actually has been coiling in this box for a very long time. So let's say if we just take this bottom, although the consolidation started to take place way before that, since 24th of October, till we begin to see a meaningful, I would say just a test of the highs was around 24th October 2024. So nearly about 2 years in the making. So you can see it's a kind of, if you are familiar with the Wyckoff's way of looking at things, it's the classical accumulation, and it's like a spring. It is coiling and coiling. It is accumulating. There's a lot of accumulation which is taking place, and then there is that release of energy, and this is what we have seen, a fantastic move, moving towards our target of $160 per share level. And the way I'm getting that target is if we just take these all-time highs which the stock reached back in October of 2020, and the lows reached in October of 2022. So 2 years later, I think there is something going on with the month of excuse me, that was the month of November, when the I don't know, it was the month of October. So tops and bottoms seems to be made in the month of October. So the stock seems to have some sort of seasonality. um, and we can just get a 38.2% retracement of that around $160 per share level, and this is what I've been targeting as a possible target, and we do not seem to be too far away from that. Now, the really key development which took place this week is we broke out of this long consolidation, because there has been a test to the upper highs before, but the market just pulled back, and then it has had a really nice thrust to the upside. So this is the time period when the Chinese government actually started to put stimulus in the economy by actually strengthening their banks, and some of that enthusiasm also spilled into the stock market. But it then also kind of fizzled quite quickly as well. It retraced quite a bit, and now we have seen a nice rally. The other thing is, this is the one-to-one price projection. This is possible resistance that I had going into this week, which the analysis I did last week. But the market has also overtaken that, so it's another positive for the stock. Now let's while we are looking at this, one of the things I've noticed about the stock is that it likes to make these double bottoms, or in other words, it just goes into this consolidation period for quite some time, and then it's able to actually break out of it and then pull back, and then it just never looks back. So whether history is going to repeat, we'll have to wait and see, because history sometimes rhymes, but it never really exactly repeats itself. So it'll be interesting to see what the stock is likely to do this time. But I believe the key level will be this 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. There is a chance the market will get there and then pull back. And what I am also watching is the momentum that it needs to get. It's really strong at the moment, but the moving averages on the weekly chart needs to also catch up, where this blue one, which is the 20-week moving average, and this gray one is the 200-week moving average. These are really 200-week moving average. It's a really long-term moving average. If the 20-week moving average gets above the 200-week moving average, that's going to be a pretty strong momentum signal as well. So here, this is when the stock actually went public on the New York Stock Exchange back in September of 2014. It had a usual spike, which is like a cycle of post IPO, and then it took the IPO lows out. A year later, it went into this consolidation for quite some time. I had a nice breakout to the upside, a nice pullback, and this was after that the stock didn't look back, and it just went and made new all-time highs. So is the stock doing something like this again? Chances are yes, maybe there's a possibility. If we begin to clear this $160 per share level, then in my opinion, there's a good chance we are gonna go and target 220 possibly. So really long consolidation, a lot of energy built up here. Now the thrust we are seeing, it's a nice development for the bulls or the stock holders who have actually been long this stock. So here we go. This is the daily chart. This is shorter term, and here we can see the 20-day moving average is above the 89 period moving average. So the momentum is clearly positive, but you can also see that the stock has actually really moved up in this parabolic fashion. So it also indicates that maybe things might be getting a little bit ahead of themselves. We saw something like this previously, and then there was a pullback in a one-to-one price projection fashion. Could something like this happen again? Yeah, perhaps there is a chance, but I would like really our target to be hit, which is not too far away now, with the high being today of $145.30. 160 is just not too far away. So I am just really targeting $160 per share level, and after that we'll see. Once the target is achieved, maybe we could get some sort of a pullback. So this is what we are watching in the stock of Alibaba. It is a quick video update as a follow-up for the video which was done a short while ago, and I hope you guys will have a fantastic weekend. And if you like our video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you also happen to find our video of educational value, you learn something, you like our technical analysis, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you do, then hit that bell icon button. That way you will know when the new videos are posted, and you will not miss any new videos at all. So thank you very much for watching the video. Good luck, good trading, and speak to you guys soon.